Welcome to Middleton. This is a 2019 68 plate Fiat 500 convertible 1.2 lounge model. So it's great spec with alloys, air conditioning, reversing sensors, front fog lights, etc. It's in this lovely black metallic. It's got the dark ambient interior to complement it. It's done 6,900 miles with one owner. It's in lovely condition throughout. It's rare as a convertible and automatic. Have a little look inside there. We bought this from Motability, so it's got full service history, and inside you see it's got the automatic gearbox, air conditioning, DAB radio with screen, leather steering wheel, the dark interior and the lovely open convertible roof. It's all in super condition throughout. It's advertised on our website at £16,995. That's £16,995 on Middleton-Fiat.co.uk. That's Middleton-Fiat.co.uk. Thank you.